Hey Poke lovers, welcome to a Valkyrie Night video in which I open a Double Crisis blister pack. The reason I'm opening a Double Crisis blister pack today is because I have not opened a Double Crisis blister pack before, and I decided that today is the day that I will open a Double Crisis blister pack. But fear not, because I have 4 Flash Fire booster packs that I will also open today, followed up by 4 Force of Will Alice First Cluster set, 7 Kings of the Lands booster packs, all today. Oh, it comes with a little thing. What's new in Pokemon TCG? Would have been like, I don't know, half a year ago. Here's a checklist of all 17 and 34 cards. And yeah. I don't know if you guys have already seen this, but I might as well give it out, since the camera probably already got it. And you get a pin and a coin. Nice shiny Team Magma coin. Look, it's failed. I'll open a Team Aqua pack first. There's 7 cards in each pack. So here is Celio, Aron, Lairon, its evolution, a reverse holos feel. Whoa! Team Aqua's Kyogre EX. What? On my first Double Crisis. Oh, that's cool. That is just so cool right there. Yeah, that is awesome. So freaking awesome right there. Oh, and Team Aqua admin. And a double Aqua energy. Wow. I was not expecting this right here. Look at that. Next, I will open a Team Magma booster pack. That's kind of impressive though. First booster pack I open as a Kyogre EX. So here's a Numel, Mariana, Baltoy, Reverse Holo Team Aqua's Great Ball. Whoa, a nice looking Sharpedo. He looks sick, look at him. And then an Aqua Diffuser. And a Team Aqua's Secret Base. It's not really secret since we all pretty much know where it's at. On a side note, I also bought 9 pocket pages from Ultra Pro. They're like 65 pages for $9. Reason being because my other binders that I bought for Pokemon were, well, the spines were kind of a little weak, and I pretty much ran out of space in them too, so I bought the pages. Ta-da! Yeah, I guess I'll have to buy a new binder and just stick the pages in there. But yeah. Here's a Carvana, Grimer, Numel. Whoa, Team Aqua's Walrein, that's cool. Reverse holo. And we have a Camerupt holo. Like always has her wrapped around him. And then here's a Team Magma Grunt and Team Aqua's secret base. And yes, I am kind of familiar with these, what comes inside of these booster packs, because I remember checking to see what came in. But nonetheless, it's still pretty surprising to see what comes in. So here's a Spiel, Team Magma's Zangoose, Team Aqua's Poochyena, Team Magma's Reverse Holo Mightyena. Ooh, a Claydol. Zapping away at people, I guess. Here's an Aqua Diffuser and a Team Magma Admin. So overall, this blister pack was pretty awesome. Not only because I got a Team Aqua's Kyogre EX on the first pack, but because I got these other three guys too. Here's Camerupt and Walrein, and then Claydol. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys watched the other two videos of Flashfire and Force of Will, and I'll see you later.